In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and hopefully fix the Google Drive not working issue. Whether you're dealing with uploads that won't complete, files that refuse to sync, an app that just won't open, or a web version that won't load on your browser, this comprehensive guide will walk you through each step to diagnose and resolve these persistent problems. So let's dive right in. First, it's important to determine whether the issue lies within your control or is something happening externally. A quick way to do this is to check Google's service status. You can either visit the Google Workspace Status dashboard or use a website like Down Detector. These platforms can confirm if there's a widespread outage affecting Google Drive. If there's a known issue, it might just be a matter of waiting for Google to resolve it. Assuming the service is operational worldwide, the next area to inspect is your internet connectivity. A stable internet connection is crucial, especially if you're facing upload or sync issues. Consider switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to test your network's stability. Rebooting your router might also help alleviate connectivity hiccups. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or firewall, try disabling them temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Next, it's worthwhile to check your Google Drive's storage and account limits. Ensure your drive hasn't reached its storage quota, as a full drive can halt uploads. Similarly, if you're syncing files with your desktop, make sure there's enough free space on your hard drive. If you're accessing Drive through a browser, clearing cache and cookies, or attempting your task in an incognito window can often clear up unexpected performance issues. For desktop applications like Drive for Desktop, try quitting and relaunching the app, or, if necessary, reinstalling it completely. On mobile, closing the app and clearing its cache might do the trick. Keeping your apps and browser updated to their latest versions can also thwart compatibility issues that may potentially hinder Google Drive's functionality. Sometimes, specific files or folders can cause issues, especially if they're unusually large or of an unsupported format. In such cases, try splitting the large files into smaller ones. In desktop sync settings, if shared drive folders aren't appearing as they should, there could be path conflicts. Another area to check is your security software and permissions. Antivirus and firewall programs could potentially block Drive's syncing capabilities. If deactivating these security measures temporarily resolves your issue, you'll know where to make adjustments. On browsers, disabling extensions might also be beneficial if plugins are causing conflicts. Additionally, ensure you're logged into the correct Google account, particularly if you have multiple accounts. For more advanced and device-specific solutions, if you're using Windows, running the Drive app as an administrator might help, and if necessary, uninstalling and reinstalling could fix persistent issues. Chromebook users should examine the Files app, reboot, and check storage space if Drive files aren't displaying properly. If you happen to be using both Google Drive for Desktop and Backup and Sync, it's advisable to stick with one of these applications to avoid conflicts. These steps should cover most scenarios you'll face with Google Drive connectivity. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful and you're back to using Google Drive seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and good luck.